Hello. Yeah. Thank you for kind introduction. Dear speakers, distinguished guest, uh, good morning to everyone, and welcome to this important session on renewable energy and industry decarbonization at the Climate Innovation Summit 2025. As we gather under the banner of innovation, it is important to remember energy and industry are the engines of economic growth, but also the driver of carbon emissions. This duality is the heart of the challenge we are here to address. The industrial sector accounts for nearly a third of global emission, much of it from energy intensive sector like steel, cement, chemicals. These sectors are notoriously hard to abate, not due to the lack of will, but because the complexity and scale of change required. At the same time, we stand at an inflection point. Renewable energy is no longer an emerging alternative. It is the foundation of the net zero energy transition. Across India and the world, solar and wind power are becoming more affordable and scalable. But to truly decarbonize industry, we must also integrate green hydrogen, a fuel that can decarbonize high heat process and provide storage solutions, but still faces cost, infrastructure, and demand side challenges. To move from potential to impact, we need more than clean electrons. We need smart system. That's where AI, digital twins, and industrial automation come in, enable us to simulate, optimize, and control industrial operation with unprecedented precision. These technologies are not add-on, they are accelerator, helping us cut emissions while the boosting efficiency, safety, and competitiveness. But technology alone is not enough. The pace of transition will depend heavily on policy framework, incentive structures, and willingness of industry to lead the change. Governments must set bold, predictable signals through carbon pricing, production-linked incentive, demand mandates, and public-private R&D partnerships. So today, in our session, we are going to have this conversation on this topic. It is a call to action for scaling up solar, wind, and hydrogen, for reimagining steel, cement, and chemical, and for using digital tools to reshape the future of industry, all within the framework of just, inclusive, and timely policy reform. Let us use this movement to explore how we move from isolated pilot to industrial scale impact, from climate intent to economic transformation. Thank you. Now let's begin the panel discussion.
Recording in progress.
I'll just now ask each